India. It is a diverse country with a population of 130 crore people, and the number is increasing every day at an alarming rate. It is the world's sixth largest economy by nominal gross domestic product, and it is becoming the world's fastest growing major economy due to the contribution from various sectors, for instance, agriculture and services. The economic state of India had been disturbed for a while, but this will not let India have an economic failure and make more people unemployed, as this will be the new era to the economy of India.
130 करोड़ भारतीयों ने संकल्प लिया। संकल्प आत्मनिर्भर बनने का और आत्मनिर्भर भारत आज हर हिंदुस्तान के मन मस्तिष्क को में छाया हुआ है।
Employment by the Government of India. Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana scheme is introduced to boost employment in the formal sector and incentives the creation of new employment opportunities during the COVID recovery phase. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. The Mudra Bank provides startup loan of up to 10 lakh to small enterprises. Make in India is a major national program of the Government of India designed to facilitate investment, foster innovation, enhance skill development, and build best-in-class manufacturing infrastructure in the country. India's path to economic reforms has transformed it from a basket case to one of the fastest growing economies in the world. Its population explosion and growing rate can catapult it to become a productive workforce. India saw information and technology as an upcoming industry since the 1990s. The industry became worth more than $100 billion in 2010 and accounted for 8% of India's GDP in 2020. The statistics also show that it will be $350 billion by the year 2025. The Indian IT industry is likely to witness consistent growth in the future. The sector is into new advancement in the technology. In the near future, that will definitely create millions of job opportunities. In terms of revenue and employment, healthcare has become one of India's most important industries. The Indian healthcare system is expanding rapidly as a result of improved coverage, expanded services, and increased spending by both public and private sectors. Retailing in India is a major component of the country's economy and accounts for around 10% of its gross domestic product. India's retail market is expected to reach over 1 trillion by 2025. It is likely to generate 2.5 crore new jobs by 2030. Brighter and better future is awaiting for us with many job openings. We can turn it as a new globalization which is taking place, and it's promising too, which will in turn influence the well-being of people, and hence future job opportunities will open a lot of doors for individuals.